Hi, this is Tim from HTC with this USB data transfer cable for the HTC EVO 4G LTE. Now this is just your basic cable, basic micro USB transfer cable. You could actually use this to charge your device also, but it's a nice little replacement if you lost your charging cable, because this can do both. But mainly you could use this for syncing media to and from your HTC EVO 4G LTE. It's pretty simple. Just plug your micro USB into the port, and then you would just connect this to your laptop or desktop computer, and you could start syncing whatever you need to sync: contacts, music, so on and so forth. Pretty straightforward. This is Tim from HTC with the micro USB transfer cable for the HTC EVO 4G LTE.